Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Actually, this is one of my local supplier for the feed for my chickens and so on. So they are one stop agri supply. They are next to actually our home. So our home is right down over here on the right hand side, and this is just over here. And here we can we are buying actually plenty of, they have food for the grower, pre-starter, for the adult dog. They have ready mix, they have Legion, I don't know, Legion 1, Legion 2, Power Mix. They have plenty of varieties over here, and they have some vitamins over here. And so today here I am. So he's the gentleman over here. What's your name?
My name is John Michael Casinan.
Michael.
John Michael.
John Michael. So I will call you John Michael. John Michael, I need today this Bio 3.
Bio 3, sir.
Bio 3 for the the finisher.
Okay.
Which brand do you have?
How many kilos, sir?
The full sack. The whole sack, yeah. Yes. Okay. Just wait a moment. I will help you. Okay. Okay. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Do one thing. Yes. Make a here. Okay, like a here. Okay, make a ear and turn it. So this is the bag actually consists of 40 kilo. So this I am going to buy today for my broiler chicks and so on. I think 1150, right? 1150 this one, or 1050. 1050, yes. So here we go, 1 and the 50. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And stay blessed and healthy. Say my best regards to the madam. Tell her we miss you. So, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Okay. Take care, brother. Thank you. So this is the shop, so just note it down. So if you are looking for some discounted feed, so you can buy it only from them. They are very good. Even they can give you are giving credit also, right?
Sir?
You have the credit terms also, right? Credit. Yani the people will take it and they can pay you after, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, take care. Have a good day. Bye bye.